G'day guys and welcome back. So today I just wanted to make a quick video on how I replaced the valves in the manual AC fuel pump on my Hillman Superminx. I couldn't find anything around a simplified way to actually replace the valves, so that's why I'm sharing it with you today. So the fuel pump for this car is just in front of the oil filter there. It's attached to the block and it runs off the camshaft. Quite a simple pump. They're a low pressure pump, and this is a job that you can do. The kits are readily available. I bought a replacement rebuild kit from Speedy Spares in the UK. So this is a spare fuel pump that I had. So there are two valves when you take it apart. There's an inlet valve and there's an outlet valve. And these are what the valves look like here. So the inlet valve sits in the recess here, and there's a paper seat which comes with the rebuild kit, and then the outlet valve sits like this, and they're sitting down inside the casting. The easiest way that I found to get these valves out, there are some aluminium castings sitting proud of the actual seat itself. Just tap them in with a punch gently and spray some penetrating oil around the valve, and then just get yourself a spanner, gently lever it up, and the valve should just pop out. This side can be a little bit more difficult, and you may need to get a thinner spanner or even just start it with a screwdriver. So to get the new valve in, I just get a socket and then just sit it on top and then just gently tap it in with a hammer, just being mindful that this is quite soft metal, so you want to maybe try and suspend it between a couple of bits of wood or something like that. Gently tap it in, and then you put it all back together and you're ready to go. I hope that was helpful for somebody. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, and we'll see you in the next one.